this is Ethan. Take one.
Ever since we brought Rilla in, we broke 3 records at Top Flight with monthly revenue. I averaged between 8,000 and 10,000 a week in revenue, and now it's anywhere from like 17 to 20,000 a week in revenue. Top Flight Electric, we're all about first-class home service. We just happen to be great electricians.
We provide residential services, mostly in the area of Polk County, Florida.
Rilla is actually an AI recording service. The neat part about Rilla wasn't just that it's recording your conversation, it actually analyzes your call.
We decided to work with Rilla because it was giving us a clear vision of what was really going on with each one of our technicians, each one of our salespeople.
Before Rilla, we just had to take everybody's word for it. But ever since Rilla, now we can see behind the scenes of what actually happened on the call. The best part is that it gives us the data about the call within minutes.
Rilla allowed our company to standardize our processes. Our sales have improved tremendously, and the production of our technicians has gone up.
I go in there and I can see, hey, in this call, I didn't talk about the membership. Or in this call, I didn't talk about our company. So that's where you can see where you can improve. Because if you hit all these trackers, you know that you're going to make that sale.
Partnering with Rilla has been one of the best decisions of this year for our company.
They've been great. Whenever we need them, they're there. And just the data that we get from it, it's pretty awesome.
It's not just simply a recording. It's serving you in a way that it's showing you ways that you can get better.
Anybody who's not using Rilla is missing out.
That's all my questions, so we're good to go. Thank you, man.
Yeah, okay.
Great.
So that was it.
Yeah, that was it.